Do you love sausages? Like, proper love a good sausage? Then stay here, because look at this. Look what you can get on TikTok. These are, listen, these are the best sausages I've ever had. I done a video on them last year. They are stunning. This is what you get in a pack. Jerk chicken sausages. Jerk chicken sausages. Jerk pork sausages. Jerk pork sausages. Cumberland sausages. Cumberland sausages. Cocktail sausages. And premium pork sausages. Now, they're not just any sausage, they are absolutely juicy and delicious. How many sausages is that all together then? Hold on, let me work out the maths. 60 sausages. Now, obviously you can freeze them, unless you want to eat 60 sausages in one sitting. I'm not judging. You might be a meat lover. If you or yourself or anyone love sausages, then you need this viral sausage pack. I'll link it below, but stay tuned because I will be cooking some of these bad boys.